Is nuclear deflection a valuable asteroid defense? Have you ever wondered how we might protect our planet from a rogue asteroid? One method that comes up in discussions is nuclear deflection. But what does that really mean? Nuclear deflection involves using nuclear explosions to alter the path of an asteroid that could potentially collide with Earth. This approach is considered when other strategies, like crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid, may not be sufficient to prevent a disaster. From the perspective of politicians, this question goes beyond just science and technology. It intersects with policy, law, and public trust. Nuclear weapons are tightly regulated by international agreements. Using them in space could violate long-standing norms aimed at preventing nuclear conflict on Earth. Politicians face the challenge of balancing the need to protect our planet with the risks of setting new precedents for nuclear use. Scientifically, nuclear deflection is one of the most powerful options available for planetary defense. Research shows that a nuclear explosion near an asteroid can be much more effective than non-nuclear methods. For instance, a well-placed nuclear blast can push an asteroid off course or break it into smaller, less dangerous fragments. The outcome depends on factors like the asteroid's size, composition, and the distance of the explosion. However, there are significant challenges to consider. Detonating a nuclear device in space is not straightforward. The explosion must be precisely timed and positioned to achieve the desired effect. There is also the risk that the asteroid could shatter, creating multiple pieces that might still pose a threat to Earth. Politically, the idea of using nuclear weapons for asteroid defense is contentious. Many countries and international organizations oppose any use of nuclear explosions in space, even for peaceful purposes. Legal restrictions are strict, and any proposal for nuclear deflection would require careful negotiation and new agreements. In practical terms, nuclear deflection is typically viewed as a last resort. It would likely be employed if an asteroid is detected too late for other methods to work, or if the asteroid is too large for non-nuclear options to be effective. Politicians would need to make quick, high-stakes decisions, weighing the need for public safety against the risks of nuclear escalation. In summary, nuclear deflection presents a scientifically promising yet politically and legally complicated option for asteroid defense. Politicians must consider not only the technical feasibility but also the broader consequences for international security and nuclear policy.